Songs for Speech Therapy and ELD.
Hi, it's me, Miss Emily. Did you know that listening to a lot of words with the S sound can actually make you better at saying the S sound? Pretty cool, huh? So listen to all the S sounds in this song and notice that my tongue will be behind my teeth and I will be sending the air out of the front part of my mouth. Listen and watch carefully.
Set yourself up for success. Say no to stress. Soar toward the stars. Start with choices that are smart. Strive, solve, stretch. Search, sketch. Strive, solve, stretch. Search, sketch. Stand, be strong. Sing your own song. So you see what I see in you. Yeah, speak about what you seek. Strive, solve, stretch. Search, sketch. Strive, solve, stretch. Search, sketch. Set yourself up for success. Set yourself up for success. Hi parents, SLPs, teachers, and other educators. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and like, subscribe, and check out some of my other videos. Thanks for supporting Songs for Speech.